Do you have an introvert/extrovert relationship? Love is supposed to be the easy part, right? But what happens when the very things that drew you together, his quiet depth, her dazzling energy, become the things that pull you apart? For years, Ethan and Chloe wrestled with the same weekend argument. He saw her social calendar as an attack on his peace. She saw his silence as a rejection, a sign that she wasn't enough to make him happy. The heart of the struggle is energy. An introvert recharges in solitude. Their battery plugs into quiet time. The extrovert recharges with people. Their battery plugs into social connection. Neither way is right or wrong. But misunderstanding this core truth is what leads to burnout and heartbreak. They were focused on the output. Are we going out? Or are we staying in? They never asked the right question. How is your energy tank right now? When Ethan tried to talk about his feelings, Chloe just felt like she was being told to be less. And when Chloe brought home spontaneous plans, Ethan just felt drained. This isn't just personality, it's biology. Extroverts have a brain pathway that gets a huge rush from the chemical dopamine when they are socializing. It literally makes them feel great. For introverts, that same level of stimulation can be overwhelming, causing sensory overload. The secret to their survival was a shift in perspective. They stopped seeing their differences as flaws and started seeing them as two different, valid operating systems. They realized they needed to schedule for harmony. Here's the advice: stop looking for a compromise where everyone is half satisfied. Start prioritizing the process of energy management. The introvert needs to demand their scheduled alone time to fill their tank. The extrovert needs to claim their scheduled group time without guilt. When both tanks are full, you have enough energy to genuinely appreciate the other person's world. Your love story doesn't need to be identical. It just needs mutual respect for the way you're built. The goal isn't to change your partner. It's to create a system where both of you can thrive. Stop fighting the way you recharge and start loving your opposite. Follow for more.